Back to the ball game. Number 14, inbound. Back to number 16. To number 34. Tinira, wala. Rebound by number 14. Back to number 34. Tinira. Baku. Number 11. Back to number 17. Tinira sa 3 point. Number 17, 3 point. Score. All 27. Number 14. Back to number 16. Penetrate. Foul. Number 6. Number 6. First personal foul. First team foul by San Joaquin. Gap. 10 seconds yata. Penetrate. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 28. Bawal maglakad ng walang passport. May picture na ngayon sa hariyan. Nakakakera. Number 14, inbound to number 16. Binalik ang bola to number 34. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Binalik sa number 6. Oh, malakas. Rebound by number 28. Back to number 11. Oh, it's 2 point by number 6. Lock ball. Score 29-27. Time remaining 9 minutes 23 seconds. In the second half, number 6. After number 17, binalik sa number 24, pinigil sa 3 point. Number 24, 3 points. Foul. Number 6. Number 6, second personal foul. Second team foul by San Joaquin. Number 6. Number 34. Penetrate number 16. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 11. Oh, dito point by number 11. Time out. Santoran Mandala. Time remaining 7 minutes 30. Number 14, inbound. Hirap pa rin. Walang palitan to. Kaniba na lang kung hindi niya kaya. Kung magkukusa yung pwedeng palitan. Pero pag di bumibigay, hindi ka palitan. Number 34 to number 14. Inaring ang bola. To number 16. Hinira sa 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number. Pinagpikan dyan. Kaya mo yung number. Number 11, pass to number 17. Tinira sa 3 points, to number 6, pala, wala. Back, tagwa. Oh, 22 point by number 16, Gaa. Score, 31-34. In favor of San Joaquin. Oh! Number 28, 3 points. Ooh. Down. Number 11. Tinira sa 3 points, wala. Dalawa ba yung number 14? Back to number 34. To number 6. To number 2. Binalik. Ooh. First team foul by Tantolan Mangkan. Number 28 is the 50-foot line. Tatlong bonus siya. Oh, that's it. Dalawa lang. Wala. Nagmamadali. Walang makita kakape. Pinili. Wala. Number 14. Save ball. Save the rivalry. San Joaquin. Number 17. Inbound. So number 28. Pass to number 11. Tinira sa 3 points. Wala. Pass break by God. First five. Last five. Lahat ng 5. Labas. Last 5. Time remaining 5 minutes 9 seconds. Second quarter. Score 37-35 in favor of Manggahan. Tantolan Manggahan. Tanongin ba yun? Tanongin. Correct yun. Lamang ang tanongin ng dalawa. Number 20. Back to number 29. Jump ball, say the referee. Kanina ang bola. Tanwangin ang bola. Number 12 to number 29. Oh, napalakas. Number double, dribble, traveling. Number 12. 2 points. 5-1-5 to 3. 10 seconds Janda. 2 points by number 12 to number 29. Foul. Number 3 2 more. Number 2 and number 3 team. Third personal foul. Second team foul by Tantolan Manggahan. Number 12. Wala. So number 20. Wala pa rin. So number 14. Sako. So number 12. Tina. Turn around shot. Paho. Three, 2, 4. Basket. Number 29. Nagpapadali. Wala. Manggahan ang bola. Number 12. 2 points by number 12. All 41. Time remaining 3 minutes 2 seconds. Number 20. 3 points. Pass to number 24. Tinira sa 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 20. Harap sa number 21. Number 29, Tuboy. Pag nabanggaan nyo yung TV, bayaran nyo. Oh! Pinasa sa wala. Number 12. Oh, wala. Rebound by number 12. Puro number 12 to. Number 20. Control time. Huli. Kanina wala rin. Side ball. May garay-garay. 15 seconds yan lang. Number 22. Didira. Rebound by number 12. Follow up. 2 points. Number 21, Tutua number 12, foul. Number 29, number 29, first personal foul. Third foul by Sanoki. Foul, number 14. Number 14, first personal foul. Assigned personal foul. 14 foul by Sanoki. Number 20, penalty rep. Number 21, the 15-foot line, bonus shot. First try, pasok. Second round, pasok again. Time remaining 56 seconds. Number 21, back to number 24. Tinira ng 3 points, 3 points. 35 seconds. So number 12, Castro. Lumipad, tapos. Nababa number 21. Twenty-three seconds. Ikaw, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Pass to number 12. 2 points by number 12. Forty seconds. 10. 5. Tapos ang oras.
Okay, tuloy pa rin.